that is pretty. Hey, what are you doing there, Mark?
Hey, Mike, we are trying to put on the template for the Z51 wing.
All right.
Yeah.
Who do you have here with you?
We have Bob and Jim.
Awesome.
Yep, they're my crack Z51 wing team. They're actually talking me into continuing because about 4 times today I've decided I was gonna call you guys and tell you not to come.
Really?
Yeah. Because I'm really nervous.
Hey,
about
hang on
this.
a second. We have something coming down the road that looks pretty freaking amazing.
What's that?
It's a ZR1.
A CR1. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be the Corvette.
I mean, check it out. We have a C6 ZR1, a high wing C8, a convertible C8, and we also have the 78 pace car. So welcome back to Brink of Speed, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be an episode where we show you basically a do-it-yourself install on the Z51 wing. We've got a team of guys here that are going to attempt to get this thing installed on Mark's car. His original plan was to take it to either Chevy or Corvette World, but we're going to attempt to do this ourselves. I think we can do it.
You can do it!
It's going to be amazing. So real quick, give us a big thumbs up. And also, if you don't want to miss a single one of these Mark videos, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. Let's get started, guys.
You know, I found the receipt for that the other day, Nick, and it said that they'll take it out for free, even though they charge us to take it out.
Mark's drilling into his Corvette, ladies and gentlemen.
My femur, right? My femur.
Yeah, right there.
Going
Here,
to the
let's get it
femur.
in your femur. Good Lord, he actually did it.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, we're going over here.
What the heck?
It was a lot of
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
You good?
and you know, it had an interface so that
Gotta go the other way to drill them. You good?
yeah, in the middle of all that, and there was some splicing, and you know.
So right now he's just doing pilot holes so that
But yeah, it was
he doesn't put a big bit on here and it walk on him.
and so
So we're gonna have to do it on all of these.
truck, I've done stuff.
This one we decided was right on.
Yeah, this is part of the process.
Anything apart, I did it the other.
All right, this is my last hole.
All right. Good. You sure you still want to do this, Mark?
Oh, I think I changed my mind. Guys, let's go. I changed my mind. We're done. We're out.
Guys, we're gonna put plugs in this back area right here
There you go.
instead of putting the spoiler on. What do you think? You think that'll look good? So now they're gonna take the template off and check out what the holes look like. And
They look like holes in my bumper, Mike. Oh my God.
let's see what we got here. Oh boy.
What do you mean,
Oh boy.
What do you mean, oh boy?
Look at that. Poor bumper.
Let the drill do the work.
Yep, perfect. Went right through. I think I might have hit a gas line,
How do you
Mike.
feel now?
I think I hit a gas line.
We hit a pipe! There's all kinds of gas! It's gonna
You did.
I'm good. That's your 9mm hole.
There you go. Now we gotta do
The other
about
one.
5 more.
Yeah. Don't rush me. Just one at a time, Mike.
Too late now.
After putting a couple spoilers on a Corvette, I was just,
Yeah, he does.
get it going.
If you don't put a spoiler on, then it'll whistle like.
Tell me if I'm looking good.
I look good. I mean, really good.
He is. Look at that.
Mike, get yours over here. We're gonna put a few wings on yours.
I wish I could. I'm not gonna lie, this is nerve-wracking even for me, and it's not my car.
7mm for the middle.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Good to know.
Hey,
the middle gets
tell
a
the folks
7mm.
that. You have
So
to change.
Yeah, so the outside are 9mm holes per the template, and the center is 7mm.
Okay.
So, yep.
All right.
See, drill 9mm hole there,
Oh, yeah.
and then 7mm hole right here.
Yep, there you go. All right.
All right, ready?
Question is, are you ready?
Towards you. There you go. Straight
I'm
down.
just thinking
Nope.
I'm going to drill right into that rear.
Right into the.
All right. Am I good?
Don't. And he's getting a lot more confident. He is. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see if he just goes the last one.
Smaller hole, more
There you go.
Now I'm not. It looks like I'm pushing real hard. It's just the stress in my face. but I'm really just
They
holding.
can't see your
I'm
face.
holding it so that I don't pop all the way through. I'm actually pushing
Yeah,
up
yeah.
with this hand.
Sure.
And I'm just kind of going slow. So.
You know, if you remember the old Lincoln Mercury commercial where the guy splits a diamond in the back seat of the
Yeah.
Lincoln, it's kind of like what Mark's doing today.
There we go.
All right. Now this is where the other videos start, right? This is where the removal part starts. We had the hard part of screwing
Yeah,
drilling
well,
holes. So.
Some of the guys didn't install spoilers on their cars.
Yep. So.
All right, so they are going to try and test fit the
Hole.
actual wing through the holes that Mark just drilled in his car.
Perfect.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Perfect.
Fits
Nice.
like a glove.
Send it back, Mark, and see how you like it.
Yeah. Do you even like it now?
Oh,
Should we just scrap
no.
the whole idea?
That's what the Corvette always looked like for me.
So guys, the next step to getting this rear bumper off is to come inside here and undo this wheel well cover. And you've got a few bolts in here. You've got to undo.
I think that's a push pin, isn't it?
Nope, not yet.
One of them is a push
Yeah.
pin in there,
Yeah.
yes. I think it's up higher.
Nick, will you grab that tool for the push pin for me, please?
I don't think you have to take that one off.
I thought that's what you said.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one you take off.
There you go. Okay, so as you guys saw, he just took out these screws here and on the edge here, of course. Had to get up way up there to get rid of some screws, or to take out some screws from there that hold the bumper on. And now we have to take out all of these screws that are inside the rear trunk area. And once we take all these off,
You said to pencil it.
then
The line, because
we will
this
be able
is
to lift
adjusted at the
this
factory.
rear
Okay.
piece
For the
off
proper gap.
and
Oh, okay.
actually start installing the wing. Once we get this off though, we have some clips that we have to undo in
Talk
here
about that.
to take it all the way off.
Start on that side and
Yes.
work.
All right.
Pleasant sound.
What's
Wow.
that, Nick?
You got like a
Bumpers on
flexible
Not very
deal
pleasant.
going on there? That's cool.
Good job, Bob. Nice for bringing that.
That's
Make
very
sure
cool.
that Mark. Make sure after you get it on there, you got to put it around the shock, and then put your finger so it doesn't scrape that shock. Just kind of pull it away from it so it doesn't.
Very nice. All right, the rear bumper is about ready to come right off. So what are you removing there, Bob?
A couple more of the push pins.
Okay.
All right, guys.
All right.
Should be
now,
good.
wait, hold on. Maybe we'll just.
There you go.
Okay. Enough room? Or are we
Yeah.
gonna?
Now,
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Look at. Yeah, we're tight right there. Wanna get
All
that?
right, get something to put underneath there.
No, we'll just take it off, Mark.
Okay. Well, you need two hands to do it. No.
I got a kid here that'll do it. I'll hold the cover. Take them all off.
It's here.
Funky.
Here, let me do it, guys. Here, switch. And then you slide this open like this. And then it's easier when you see it on somebody else's video.
There you go.
Okay.
there you go.
There you go.
And then
Right.
press down on
Press
that.
Press
down.
it down and unplug it.
Perfect.
Okay.
There's one.
Nice.
So they got to unclip all 3 of those. Mark's almost done with that. As soon as they get that off, they can get the bumper off. And then we can actually get the Z51 wing bolted onto the bumper, and then we'll just put it all back together. All right, so we've got the bumper off, and now we're gonna test fit the wing to see how it's gonna fit in here and actually be able to get to these screw heads and actually be able to put them on. That's what it's about. So we actually have to remove the center tail light out to be able to get to the screw holes. Or is that them right there? So they're undoing the screws to take out the tail lights right now. We're going to take out the side tail lights and the center tail light so that we can get to this screw.
And I think it's apparently it's like against the paint, so you got to be careful.
Oh, okay, I'll let you do
when
it.
you take it out.
I gotcha. Yep.
See?
That comes out nice.
Good reading.
Yeah, that comes out really nice.
Now we'll get a straight shot of that.
Perfect.
That side.
So it's kind of a headache, but we got these 2 in
They're snug. That's ready to
and
go.
nice and snug. And now we're doing the center there and there.
I'm doing it by hand because I don't want to strip anything.
No, you're right.
Yeah, that's
You wanna
smart. So now we just got to tighten this side up once we're done with the center. So what are you doing, Mark?
So Mike, you see this lip here?
Yeah?
That goes in the body there, so you got to just be careful putting that in there. You could scratch the paint.
Oh,
It's
okay.
not just flush like this. It apparently goes in. Now, it came out a lot easier than in, so I got to figure out how this...
No?
You're going
Yeah,
too
out there.
close to it.
There's
Go
a-
down a
there's a
little.
skinny yellow
There,
one.
right there. That's it, right there.
Is it?
Yeah, I got it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we are ready to put the bumper back on. As you see, the Z51 spoiler is already on, and Mark has an excited look on his face, even though you can't see it. Whoops.
How come you're not giving him a hard time?
That felt empty.
Because it was
Watch
empty.
the paint, right? Scratch the paint when you're... Do you guys see where your screw hole lines up to?
I'll hook up your
Your
wiring
wires.
Steel wires.
Hook up your wiring harnesses.
So now they have to plug
Guys, up in
those
the air.
wires back in. How many Corvette guys does it take to do a Z51 spoiler? Apparently 5. Really 4, because I haven't done much. So what do you think of your spoiler, Mark?
Awesome! Look at that. Is that unbelievable?
Yeah, it looks amazing.
We've been working on it so much, I didn't get a chance to actually look at it. It's
Right.
unbelievable. I mean,
Yeah. I mean,
that's the way it's supposed to be.
yeah, it's about time you got a Z51 spoiler on your
know, look at
non-Z51 Stingray.
Beautiful. Love it. My goodness.
Yeah,
that
looks
was
amazing.
one heck of a
Congrats,
project.
man.
Yeah, thanks.
That's
for,
awesome.
Thanks for you, Mike, for coming over, and
Yeah, yeah.
Bob and Jim and Nick. That's beautiful. I just got to clean it off. It's got all my hand grease all
Fingerprints.
over.
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
All right, so we are wrapped up here. They've got a couple of screws to put back in, but we finished the install of
Yep.
Mark's Z51 wing. Thank you very much, Bob.
Absolutely. My
Thank
pleasure.
you very much, Nick.
Bob, say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
He's been saying hi
Jim,
to
come
me.
over here.
Jim, thank you very much.
Jim, thanks.
Appreciate it.
And then Nick, over there, Nick.
Yeah,
Thank you,
I
Nick.
told him, Nick.
The Corvette crew.
Yeah,
Corvette
so
crew.
give us a big thumbs up, and I hope each and every one of you guys has a wonderful rest of your day, and we will see you guys out on the road.